Oh, do we have some tea today? So if you guys didn't know, Jake Paul and Logan Paul, they actually have a channel together called Jake and Logan. You guys should check it out, you know, original video link down below. But I guess Jake Paul started talking about how Tana Mongeau reacted to him being spotted with Erika. And just wait till you hear the answer.
No, seriously, deep fake. It was a deep fake.
That wasn't you?
What does that mean?
What did Tana say?
Well, Tana at first was like, what's going on? Like, can we smash her together? That's what she said.
Oh, dude, if that is not a wife, I don't know. Woo. So, Tana Mongeau reacted to him being spotted with Erika, saying, can we smash her together, like having a threesome? I want to date Tana. I need a date Tana. Oh my god. I can't believe that, bro. Holy. So that's how she reacted, guys. She had no problem with it. She just was hoping for some action herself. I mean, that is what I call a girlfriend. No wonder Jake Paul married her ass. I would have done the same thing. Alright guys, well that is it for the video. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Like Jake Paul really hit the jackpot. I'm sorry, but he hit the jackpot.